Hello, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what's your problem? I think it's the problem from settings. So actually, you face the problem like market is running here, but your candlestick is now here. There is no data
Yes,
inside of this area.
yes, yes.
This one. Um, First of all, what you have to do, you have to log out first. First logged
Okay.
out, then check your internet connection. Okay, after that you have to again logged in. Sometimes what happens when internet connection is not so strong, or internet is not available, then it may happen. Number one. Number two is you have to go, after logged in, you have to go same process, from the menu, then forexr, then menu, then ticker volume, tick volume, and then sorry, list of tickers, then forex, then you can select any of the pairs, then I think your problem will solve. Okay.
I've tried it many times, but on last 2 to 3 days, it is occurring same. That error is also occurring same while exiting. That I showed you error.
Okay, the main interface is not coming.
Yes, so main interface is coming. Like I said, that candles are showing till here. Uh, these candles are not been shown. And while logging out, that I have shown you the screenshot. That error is coming. 1 second.
Okay, when the candlestick long like this type of, then you have to I already told you, you have to set is 0.05.
Yes, I have done. I have did it. 0.05. I have did it. It
Okay,
is
I don't.
showing. It is showing that access violation at address 000, read of address 000. This error is coming
Access violation.
at address.
Mm, okay, I will check it. Okay, I will check it, and step by step I have to give you support.
Yes.
Okay, we can start first. Our after this session, I will try to solve it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the break bar candle. So break bar candle little above the from the opening price, and breakout happen. This candle in the chart, this candle breakout happen. Okay, so volume is high. Yes. Yes, we can take this one because there is another volume here, that is 45, I think, and then it's a 48, and this candlestick volume is high. So breakout happen. Yes, next candle goes up. Yes, yes, you are right here. So first of all, what you should do, you should take the perfect market condition here. This is
Yes.
your first confirmation. And then second confirmation, you have to observe what happened previously. Is there any level? Where is the level? Is there no level? Then it's okay. Is there any level? So where's the level? Level breakout happened, level below, level above. What's the positions of the level? Then you have to observe the volume condition. So when you observe the volume condition, then now you can take a decision that it's a break bar or what type of bar this one. After that, finally, you have to take your decision. You will go with the buyers or sellers. Okay. Here, volume high, at the low end of bullish candlestick with high volume. It's exactly at the strong round number support. Okay. Which one? This one. 65. Okay. 65. And yes, yes, yes. 65 volume, this one. So when this candlestick volume 65, so this area, see, observe the area, Okay, first of all, you must observe the previous conditions of the market, previous areas of the market. So if we observe here, that is the extreme buyer's entry point area. Okay.
Yes.
So sellers
Yes.
push the market down here. It's okay. But what happened? Volume is now showing here by the seller side. That is the strong. That means who failed? Sellers failed here.
Yes.
That means this is also a push bar, and from this type of extreme buyer's entry point area, so it will continue the market to the upward direction, because this area is a very strong area. Now this candle, you have to take this one as a push bar, although
Yes.
the volume is high, showing it's high by the seller side, but this volume failed. Sellers failed here. If really sellers are stronger, then it will opening price. Try to understand.
Yes.
It will sellers opening price, and it will which candle by the seller side. Tell me, please. If this situation happened really, volume is high here at the opening price.
Then the market will move down.
Yes, market will down, it's okay. But what's the name of then this candlestick? Red color candle. Which bar?
This will be push bar candle only.
Yes, exactly. Push bar, not pushing. Because
Yes.
see, where its volume is high, you have to observe where volume is high. Now it's showing the opening price of these buyers. Then the volume is by the seller side. And if these sellers really didn't fail here, that means really create a bearish candlestick here, that will be the opening price by the seller side. And
Yes.
exactly at that area volume is high. That means this candle will act as a push bar, and in this type of market condition, definitely next candle again down.
Yes.
But what happened here? The total scenario changed. Why? Because of this area.
Yes.
Sellers exactly close here. Sellers exactly close at this buyer's area, and when sellers exactly close at this buyer's area, if you observe this candlestick history, what's the history here? Its history is now this volume is by the buyer's side. So this volume is by the buyer's side, and this candlestick is bearish candlestick. Okay, this candlestick is a bearish candlestick. So when this candlestick bearish candlestick, so is it relevant? Volume by the buyer's side, but candlestick is a red color.
Seller. Yes.
Seller. Is it relevant?
No.
It's not relevant. And what happened? This is also another information that market exactly close at that area, pushing in direction, but that volume is high by the buyer's side, and this candlestick exactly close at the buyer's area. That is also another information. Buyers may enter in the market because already buyers stronger at this area. So today we will learn about this area. Okay, about this area, that is called the POC. So when we see this is a clear information, see, that means this candlestick is a pushing in direction. But if there is no level, and if there is a volume here, high volume by the seller side, then what will happen? We can expect next candle down. But what happened here? This area is a previous strong buyer's entry point area. So when this candlestick is a strong buyer's entry point area, and this candlestick close at that area, exactly at the buyer's entry point area, sellers close at the buyer's area, and the volume is high by the buyer's side.
Yes.
So that is giving us an information that more possibility market may go up. If this volume is by the seller side, so that time sellers will continue if there is no level. And another information, buyer's volume, bearish candlestick. Volume is by the buyer side, and this candlestick is a looking like very strong candlestick. But what we see, the internal condition, is it really strong by the seller side? It's not really stronger by the seller side, because POC here by the buyer side. And this candlestick exactly close here at the seller at the buyer's area, bearish candlestick close. That's why next candle up. And next candle, what happened? Next candle, bearish sellers volume high here. This bullish candlestick, but sellers volume high. That means sellers failed. When sellers failed, it also acts as a push bar. Buyers will enter. This is a clear scenario. If you understand everything very perfectly, that will give you a very clear scenario. It's and everything. Okay. So what happened here? $55, this one, 55. Which candle? This one, bearish or bullish? Bearish candle.
Bearish candle.
Bearish
At
candle.
resistance level.
At the resistance level. Okay. At the resistance level, that means this one. After this bullish candlestick, next candle reversed, and this candlestick, this one push bar or pushing in direction?
In direction.
I don't know what's the opening price here. It's not perfectly visible. Okay, if there is the opening price little above, okay, try to understand. If there is opening price little above, so then what happened? Exactly opening price, the volume is high. That time it's a push bar. But when at the second part, that is the pushing in direction. Okay. And see what happened here in this candlestick. Try to understand these shapes also. We will learn everything. But what happened? Which pattern? This one, after bullish candlestick, market create a bearish candlestick. Okay.
Yes.
Market create bearish candlestick. So is there any pattern visible here?
Yes, sir. It is what we say, bearish harami candle.
Exactly, bearish harami. Okay, we will learn. This is not our today's topics. So what happened if we see push bar or pushing in direction? So that means we can expect next candle down. Yes, exactly. Okay, what happened here? This one, it's looking like a break bar. Okay. Okay, yes. When the market movement, previously down movement, and at the last stage, bearish candlestick and bearish candlestick volume high at the closing price. Okay. That will also continue the market to the same direction. Okay. But when opposite situation, then we don't have any opportunity.
Yes.
Volume is high here at the last, then it will continue. Yes. Okay. This one, round number level actually here.
Yes.
Yes. Round number level.
I have mentioned it.
Yes.
I have mentioned it above.
Yes. Breakout happen. Okay. After breakout, round number level, resistance volume high, which is break bar. Yes. Breakout happened, and yes, break bar. Okay. Okay. So break bar, after break bar, what happened? We can easily place our trade here to the upward direction. Yes. Okay. So try to observe here. I will explain in my notepad first, then I will show you in the chart also. So this is the rejection point. Rejection come from this area. Rejection come from this area, exactly at that area. Okay, this
Yes.
POC area. And then next candle goes up. So the information may changed sometimes. I don't know why, because of internet connection, I think. It's showing here green, but it's showing here red. It's not a big issue actually. Okay, what happened here? Downtrend market, push bar, candle from sellers and int. Okay, sellers int. This candle, downtrend market. Volume high at the opening price of the candle. Okay. Okay, see what happened? Who failed here? In this case, buyers failed here. That's why it's in the downtrend market. When we see at the opening price, this is also a push bar. Buyers failed here. That's why sellers will again enter. Okay. What happened? So pushing direction candle, opening price little above. If opening price little above, and then if exactly from an opening price, this volume is exactly from opening price, that is push bar, not pushing in direction.
Okay.
So when exactly open, it's showing that exactly opening price. That's why it's the push bar, not pushing in direction. When second part, then pushing in direction. So in the case of push bar, in this type of market condition, everything is okay. If you observe, see how many ways you can analyze this area. If you want, you can take minimum 8 to 10 confirmation from this area before placing this trade, because you know everything. Price action, VSA, CWRV, Delta River, everything you know. Minimum 10 confirmations you can easily got from that. You already know the level trading. So this is the chart pattern. Okay.
Yes.
Head and shoulder pattern. After that, neckline breakout happened and market exactly fall down. It's a momentum rules. Okay.
Yes.
This is a momentum. In between any momentum, if you get hammer, inverted hammer, instinct of doji type candlestick, that will continue the market to the same direction. If there is no level exactly at the previous history of the market, there is no level, any strong level. There is no any strong level. Okay. And you can draw level. You can draw a resistance level. You can draw SNR level. You can draw any types of level that will also give you a confirmation that who is strong in the market and what you have to do. Okay. Now, if we take confirmation from Delta River, that is the push bar in this type of market condition. So that will give you another confirmation. So by that, and in this area, from this platform, you can easily understand the internal data here, and you can place your trade with high confidence. Okay. Now, I'm going to our today's topics. So our today's topics is about the POC. So what do we mean by POC? POC, that means power of control. Okay, power of control. So now, what do we mean by power of control? Okay. So the meaning of power of control is, suppose in this candle, this is a bullish candle. And this is another candlestick by the seller side, bearish candle. So first of all, um, power of control totally depends on not only the one information, it's a combination of all informations from the market. So if anybody think that, so the normally what all others mentor and everyone what they explain that if this candlestick, suppose why people confused, try to understand. This is the one part, this is another part, this is another part, this is another part. So the normal explanation and common explanation that if this candlestick volume in this area like here 30, 150, 70, 20, and then here 10. By the seller side 10. Or even here think that here also sellers, and here like 40. The common explanation is everyone what they learn and what they also teaching, that is the this in this candlestick this area is high by the buyer side, that's why this is a power of control. So yes, it's okay, but this concept will change when we apply this candlestick and when we see this type of candlestick in the chart. So that situation will totally change because there are so many other things related to it. So I am drawing this candlestick in my notepad, that's why it's 100% okay. But when we discover this type of candlestick in the chart, when we observe in the chart, there are so many things related to it. What's the so many things? So many things are the this candlestick opening price is here. So now if we set this candlestick in a trendy market, that will give us one type of situation in this area. If this candlestick we set exactly at the resistance level, that will give us one type of situation. If this candlestick we set in the downtrend market pullback situation, like suppose down, now this one and this one, maybe think that there is a level. Okay, now power of control is here. It's a pushing in direction 150. And think that in between this ranging area, this candlestick exactly created here, that is the power of control, and this candlestick exactly close here, that is the power of control. Okay, same candle, power of control is here, power of control is here, and okay, this is the level, that level breakout happened, and then power of control is here. So based on power of control by the buyer side here, in this candlestick, normally in this candlestick, it's looking like a strong candlestick by the buyer side, and this candlestick opening price is this one and closing price this one, and middle point, almost middle point is a power of control in this type of a strong candlestick. Now we can normally think that what may happen next candle, we can expect go up because power of control is here. That means when the total volume is high, when the volume anywhere of the any candlestick volume is maximum volume, volumes are maximum volume, so then that area is a power of control. So, but if we observe, this is the normal explanation, this is the common explanation, common thinking. But if we set this candlestick in different areas, different situation, that will give us different result. Am I right? See.
Yes.
In this type of candle, in this area, is it 100% relevant to this situation?
Yes.
In this area, this is 100% wrong.
Yes.
In this area, that is 50-50%.
Yes.
Maximum time it will fail. In this area, the explanation will totally change because of breakout.
Yes.
Power of control will change. Why power of control will change? What do we mean by power of control? Power of control will act as a SNR.
Yes.
It's a level. Because if you see the power of control is here, next candle again try to create the opposite try to go down. But when it faced the power of control, this power of control got rejected and then this candlestick go up.
Yes.
Because of this SNR, because of this strong situation here. But when a breakout happened, it will not come here. Most of the time, it will came back to that previous area. That means this area will fail. It will not work. When market came to this breakout point, the power of control shifted here to here. Okay. Because of breakout, you will got again and again this type of example. It's not 100% time it not came here, that not right explanation, but sometimes it may came here, but maximum time it came to this point and then got rejected and goes up. Because this SNR, try to understand what we learned previously. In the outside bar pattern, what I explained. Suppose this is outside bar pattern in the uptrend market. So what's the key level here? Opening price breakout happened. This bearish candlestick opening price breakout happened. That's the key level. This candlestick 50% key level.
50%.
And if this candlestick break any others level of the market, that is also key level. So what do we mean by key level? That is the SNR level. SNR, that means after a breakout of any level, previously it was resistance when the candlestick is here. But when breakout happened, now it will act as a support. That means when market is here, that will act as a resistance level for this candle, this green candle. But when green candle broke this level, now this level is acting as a support level. You will get again and again the example that market will not came back to this area for rejection. Most of the time, it came back to that area, first area, and then market goes up. Why? Because of this is the buyer's area. This is also seller's area, seller's area first, then now it's a buyer's area because market above. This is the buyer's area, this is the buyer's area. But why this is very important? Because this is a very near, this is the very closer SNR or closer support level for this candle. Same thing happened here. Okay, I am showing you this candlestick, but you will not get this type of scenario. You will get the internal data here. When internal data, that will act as a SNR. So when you see that will acting as a SNR level, now what you have to do? Just you have to observe, is there any breakout or not? When a breakout happen, then it will act as a support level. Now you can place your trade. So based on this POC, how you place your trade, that's the main thing. That's the main. So now I think it's clear to you the what is the
Yes.
what is the POC? Power of control
Yes.
is any candlestick, any part where volume maximum, that is called the power of control. And
Yes.
that power of control we have to apply based on market structure and movement. When we observe this type of candlestick, power of control is here. It's now it's which candlestick, which bar? This one is a pushing in direction bar. Is it possible to pushing in direction here? Is it applicable? No. It's not applicable because it's a pullback and a market exactly close at the resistance level. We need here which bar? We need here a stop bar by the buyer side. By the buyer side, a stop bar. Exactly at the by the buyer side, a stop bar that will reverse the market when volume is exactly high here. So that will reverse the market. So now try to understand how we apply the POC, power of control, in the chart. Okay. First of all, what you have to do, you have to confirm the market structure and the movement. Suppose it's a basement of the market and now market is going up. Suppose in this candlestick, power of control is here. Tell me, which candlestick this one? That means which bar?
Break bars.
Exactly, break bar. 190. Break bar. Okay. So this is a break bar. So it's not right that break bar, that means it's always break the market level. No. It may not break each and every time market level. So if it really break, suppose if it really break and that breakout happen here exactly above the power of control. Okay. When there is no level, nothing here, but this is a break bar. So when this is a break bar, that time what happened in this type of uptrend market condition, most of the time it will continue the market to the same direction, but 50% chance if any level. Okay, if any level, then 50% chance, but maximum time you will get after breakout. After breakout, suppose breakout happen here, then everything is okay. It's a break bar and breakout happen exactly at that area. After that volume is high, it's okay. But if there is breakout, no breakout, but this candlestick is a break bar candle, so you can place your trade. But when market came here for rejection, then only you have to place your trade from exactly at that point to the upward direction.
Okay.
Because it's a power of control, and when sellers came here at that power of control area, so buyers rejected these sellers, and it will strongly goes up and it will create a bullish candlestick maximum time, but sometimes it will create bearish candlesticks also, but it will give you winning trade. Why? Because it will close above your entry point. If market structure, movement, everything okay, then it will act as a continuation sign, but after a rejection. But sometimes market may reverse also, but it will close above your entry point. You have to place your trade exactly from this power of control. Otherwise, it may give you loss. Okay, now try to understand. Suppose there is a breakout happen little above. So then, if you think that market movement is a very slow movement, you can place your trade from this area to the upward direction. Because this power of control is now not here. is now here. Because a breakout happened, market may not came back to that area. It will came to this area and it will go after got rejected, market goes up. So that thing you have to follow. But when at the power of control at the last stage here, so and market is giving you weak candlestick after weakness, this type of candlestick, that power of control is now here or now here. It's a push bar. It's looking like a push bar. So or middle here. So if you want to place your trade now here to the upper direction from this power of control, is it right or wrong?
Wrong, sir.
Exactly wrong, because this power of control will fail because the power of control is here, it's okay, POC is here, it's okay, but the main focus you must give your focus here. This is a very strong seller's entry point area. This will not work. This power of control will not work because these candlestick exactly close at a strong seller's entry point area. Sellers are available here, sellers are sitting here, they are the very strong sellers. They can break this power of control and it will goes down. So maybe what happened, next candlestick when formed, if this candlestick power of control is little above or here, it can got rejected and then market fall down. If this candlestick power of control here, then you should take your trade exactly from the power of control to the downward direction. Okay, so power of control, based on power of control, is it possible for you to analyze in the market?
Yes.
Okay, now try to understand. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, this is the power of control in this candle. So previous
Yes.
market, downtrend market. So what happened? Next candlestick again came here at the POC area. Buyers when came back to this POC area, what happened? Next candlestick, buyers got rejected from this POC area and market fall down.
Yes.
You will get again and again. So this is the POC area in the downtrend market. So you must follow the trend. So when buyers came here, when buyers entered in this candlestick and came to this POC area, these sellers got rejected, these buyers, and next candlestick fall down. So POC will act as a SNR, but don't go against any trend because
Yes.
you have to set all of your strategy with the direction of the trend. So this is all about today's session.